Well, students of class 7th, now today we are going to start civics chapter number 21, democracy and equality. We have already studied that different systems of power that exist in the world today. In a dictatorial form of government, ordinary citizens have no say in the decision making processes, whereas the head has absolute power in the country. This may be of two types: military dictatorship and monarchy. In monarchy, a king or queen has the absolute power, and that is generally hereditary. Monarchy may be constitutional monarchy, and oligarchy is a style of government in which only a new only a few people have the power, while aristocracy, power and influence are held by a minority of people. In a democracy, power is held by the people. So, the word democracy comes from the word democratia, which means people's power. Democracy is a system of government that include all the citizens sharing power. In the words of Abraham Lincoln, democracy of the government of the people, by the people, and for the people. It is a well known definition of democracy. So, in this chapter, we have to study about democracy. So, democracy is a government which depends on the consent of the people. What is the history of democracy? Democracy originated in the Greek city of Athens 2500 years ago. Male citizens of Athens gathered together about 40 times a year to take decisions. This was called People's Assembly. Women, foreigners, and slaves were not allowed to participate in the decision making processes. Democracy developed rapidly during Roman Empire, but with the rise of feudalism during the Middle Ages, democracy was forced back as the power of the king and the nobles increased. It means that the word democracy was taken from the word democracia, which means the people's power. डेमोक्रेसी की का ओरिजिन ग्रीक शहर माना जाता है। ग्रीक का एथेंस नामक शहर माना जाता है और डेमोक्रेसी की उत्पत्ति लगभग 2500 ईयर्स बिफोर हुई थी। इसमें केवल मेल सिटीजन्स को यह अधिकार प्राप्त था कि वो इकट्ठा होकर के डिसीजन ले सकें। इसमें महिलाओं को, फॉरेनर्स को या स्लेव्स को डिसीजन मेकिंग प्रोसेस में इन्वॉल्व होने का परमिशन नहीं था। डेमोक्रेसी डेवलप्ड रैपिडली ड्यूरिंग रोमन एम्पायर। बहुत ही तेज़ी से रोमन एम्पायर में डेमोक्रेसी फैला। बट विद द राइज ऑफ फ्यूडलिज्म ड्यूरिंग द मिडिल एजेस, लेकिन मिडिल एज के उत्थान के समय डेमोक्रेसी वाज फोर्स्ड बैक। डेमोक्रेसी फिर बैक हुआ, फोर्स्ड बैक एज पावर ऑफ द किंग। एक राजा के पावर के रूप में ये बैक हुआ एंड द नोबल्स इंक्रीज्ड। In England, king was forced to sign a document called Magna Carta. इंग्लैंड में राजा मजबूर था किसी भी डॉक्यूमेंट पे साइन करने के लिए जिसे मैग्ना कार्टा कहा जाता था, विच वॉज रेस्ट्रिक्टेड द पावर ऑफ किंग। मैग्ना कार्टा में क्या था कि वह राजा के अधिकारों को रेस्ट्रिक्ट करता था, प्रतिबंधित करता था। अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस किंग हैड टू ओबे द लॉ। इसके अनुसार राजा को सभी नियमों का पालन करना होता था, लाइक ऑल अदर पीपल, अन्य लोगों की भांति। एंड इन केस द लॉ वॉज ब्रोकन बाय द किंग, और यदि किसी केस में राजा के द्वारा राजा को किंग को इन नियमों का पालन करना होता था जैसा कि एक आम आदमी करता था। ही माइट बी रिमूव्ड बाय द नोबल्स। अगर वो इन नियमों को तोड़ता है तो उसे नोबल्स के द्वारा उसको उसके पद से हटाया जा सकता है। द नोबल्स formed a council to act as the controlling body. नोबल्स मिल करके एक काउंसिल का निर्माण करते हैं जिसको कंट्रोलिंग बॉडी माना गया है। ऑन द पावर्स ऑफ द किंग, राजा की पावर की कंट्रोलिंग बॉडी मानी गई है। यूरोप इज लिंक्ड विद द इमर्जेंस ऑफ मॉडर्न डेमोक्रेसी। The two major revolutions, the American War of Independence that has been started in 1775 and lasted till 1783, and the French Revolution that has been started in 1789 and lasted till 1799. These two were the major revolutions and important to contribute greatly in the development of democracy. The Glorious Revolution, which is also called Bloodless Revolution, laid the foundation of the first democratic principles of the rule of law. French people through the French Revolution emphasized that the country should be ruled by laws passed by the people. Some powerful democratic countries have taken the task of promoting democracy in the world. USA and its allies attacked Iraq in order to liberate the people of Iraq and to establish democracy in the country. India, after gaining independence from the British in 1947, became a democratic republic. Our neighbors such as Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Myanmar have had mixed records and experienced different forms of government such as democracy, military, dictatorship, etc. The main thrust of democracy is rule of law and equality. Thank you. On next lecture, next explanation, we have the topic types of democracy. Thank you.